In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Connections and select More Connection Settings at the bottom. Following that, choose Printing section, and from here you can tap on Default Print Service right away. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher and click on the back button. Now select Download plugin and pick the best print service for you. Now you need to install it, and when you're ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!